Well, I wanted to show you a short demo which focuses on how we can improve on how NGOs and government agencies now do post disaster assessments. Um, to date, it's a process which is quite inefficient with errors and duplication of labour. There are now ways using cloud and mapping GIS technology that this can be done quite easily and relatively cost effectively. You're looking on the screen at an iPad. There's an application here running which is a data collection application. We're going to use Esri's ArcGIS Online for this demo. We're going to tap that middle map and we're going to load that. The data you're going to see here is satellite imagery, and we've actually got some assessment point data that we've been collecting here. So you'll see those red points there is needs assessment on a number of homes affected by a disaster. The blue dot in the middle is my current location. I'm going to turn that off for the moment. Now I'm going to tap the right hand side. We've got the ability now to drop a point on the map at our current location using the GPS on the iPad to then assess the damage of a particular home. So let's go ahead and just input some information here. We're going to put in a name which is SNKT 27. We'll put the type, which is WPT. We'll put the date in, which is today's date, and a short description, which we'll just for now say destroyed. I can put in the assessor name. And we put the agency in there as well. Now I've noticed I've misspelt type, so I'm going to go back in. It should be WPT and correct that. We can also attach an image, so we can take a picture with our iPad and we can attach that to that particular feature, that particular home that we're assessing. So we've actually got one in our library that we're going to use, but this could be a live image that we're taking here. So we've now collected some initial data on that home, an initial needs assessment, and we've attached an image, and we can attach any number of other images to this as well of this particular damaged home. So we're going to submit that. Now what the submit process does is it actually pushes that data from my iPad in the field up into the cloud. By doing that, that data is now accessible to everyone across the agency. So now anybody can look at this data and assess what I'm collecting and anybody else in the team is collecting. So this is a very efficient way to actually now do emergency data management. It's going to be far more efficient and accurate, and it's going to make for much faster coordinated action post-disaster. So this is a brand new way to do this work, leveraging current technology. Thanks for watching.